Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.
Now utie na wie na mecha menu yanso. Some of bisaye ya semwa it requires a very extensive reflection. The mekani say galamsey queen mami ye betra de bia ye ka say ade no enye e wo say ye den ye so anu yesu say na menyin to mu da say obi nkoye small scale mining emfa say yensu obi nkoye illegal mining emfa say yensu but some way start here me the free nansen emra parliament agiatum say yemfa nkuntia illegal activities ay koso wo yensu so no
Okay.
emra no eye plain aban wo so no di emra no ye den e call mrache bedwem yes small scale mining na any kwan chen say e bensuo 100 meters from our river bodies me say emra no mo share na me ka say say a waste of time say obekwa akotina parliament a shemra say obi a oye illegal mining no 100 meters away from water
1 kilometer
1 kilometer mami it said ye wa udi wa pe phone bi na odi boss no ataso it's nothing but just deceiving us because ye wo memu ne ye ka kire say fertilizer kra edigua eyamfuo so isio to a distance from 5 kilometers to 10 kilometers etimi wo chi kogu yensuom enti u shemra na wa ko shemra fufufu we ya say wa empower the illegal activities to go on at least some 10 kilometers away 15 kilometers away then u kasa chia ye echire ye say why you serious so ukutia galamsey because mami baby obi abetu ade ibia no ope baby nsuo won ode ahoro nsuo no se nya bucket ne yedesa ope nsuo a emu yedu obetimi edi awash gold enti woman say akwanya na enu ani so obekwa akoton pipe yibi 1 kilometer no odi ni machine esi ho na wa de wa twin nsuo no owi a baby nsuo no be ko de ese mfa ne ho enti emra no amwayen. Secondly, emlari kire say obi use machines excavator a pumping machine ni ade na uhu a chi nearest police station no fakọ MPP started first one and omo ko chi ya 500 excavators a omo chema omo ho a omo tunton bia owura Kennedy Japan e ka ho asem enti ama wo mo anka say ni gidie e wo mumu ene de be si biom ni say mami ye be chu excavator udie ben de ben a ye nhye no emra no so anka say ye nhye ade no
osi yan confiscate
yan
farm assemblies nimpo
and say the person will justify before say ye beton a confiscate action no kura na was say court but a trust a pronounce judgment enti nansen ya omuka say soldiers in question no me si me nyi tum say yenye
ebi asesa mre no mu be de
emra no nko parliament na me parliament sorry ye kransa na activity start here parliament sorry ye azana ye push soldiers ikogu
na chairman wunyi ni say oh ye so stubborn say ade no ye nya ya dwen say ye bejai because first one omo ye chichi bi seize some of the excavators and excavators bi no omo atwom omo koton di yo so omo wia yo so omo yende yo rabasa ye hunu ba bi e fai ye ni ba ye ho so na the same excavators I find omo ways back into the forest reserve what you say e dia na ye hye na ya hye no
mami we need strong institutions say your institutions in ye adwuma excavator ni ntimi ndwane nko ba
how many bema institutions na ye adwuma
those who are in charge
and they are
say those who are in charge they don't believe in themselves and due to that no they are practicing illegality which is wrong unim say 500 excavators no Kumasi court ama judgment aban betua over $15 million ama ebinumo so what you here to extend say wa ba be no ya ma mi kejemfu what is also your court say wa be ni excavator ukwa court baby say mraben and ejina so if it's a president edina nu ne kan ye kurapo a e wo so di ko na parliament ye dey ejitum Say what you say. Number of days, president did not look out somewhere. It was all the parliament in a parliament in Jutum. Say Mrano Pahua, president Wafum. Say what you say. President shares Ambra with every 21 days. Or can't say Omun Koshini. I 2 soldiers for Gumu, every 21 days.
No be the na court.
Oh, and I make a child say, one more as one more excavators, genuinely. They are legal. They are operating legal.
They have their license.
They are not. They've not tamper with our water. Even if they tamper with our water, you are not supposed to burn it. Arrest them. So what you are saying?
The other time, now one of the deputy ministers said, excavators no. On back on. Say if you know moving out from the forest, no matter two parts need be every. How can they move them? Omo kwa ya no masa atwa omo ho no omo abehye no omo san adwuma
mami
did na make say you so stubborn no
mami me say yeah ni
because pata papieto ya de mra na woro
ye constitution no so nkire say pata papieto fa pata eja fa jashi this ya me no ka say me no nya problem was street so say ya me ntimi ka say wudi wo ka abo me ka enti no I was saying me treasure to card myself me boat you kun. Ye mbrani cheresa. De omu ye no yesi enye. Nanso sister. Nanse ya na national security so called national security 32 bi. Omu ko share forest so omu 2 golda emebunu omu wo kurom ho akenten. Echi omu. Sa national security for omu nam wo basa ya ehu omu faso a Ghana tuyo ye di eska to tuya ma omu no. Say a cheer excavator never say 2 national security people should sleep by that excavator to ensure say a find antidotes. I protect here the safe place to help this country going forward. What is wrong with that? Wamu timi nka jemi say miners no wamu cheer excavators no mu di si wa wamu ko tutu bibi film. Say what you say. Yenya chi ade no pe aye government property.
They say
you cannot trespass. Okay. Enti ekwa so that dear time and omu fe chire ko tutu hunyama. Na je say omu chi wo no they collaborate with them.
Say bia omu nya hint. Esen krofo na e bad the side. Enti e metu e. Obaba na mini ho.
You see?
Enti e bia ka say ye hu excavator wa ha ye move a. How do we move it?
And I make a say mami. The omu etu e free ho no. Spare parts na asan wi ase. And say we are say. Trans papers no more to know.
By the time and say we are say. Abe papers akọ. And almost not to us what.
Sister, one of the ways to justify what they are doing. For me, meaning to say that is the way out.
Okay.
Me misro, mami biama. Dia misro ni say sika kakra ye di be yem puntu djuma kakra mami no. Obi be court akọji judgment there. Kuma say the $15 million US. Eti asamuno asamua e was say the legal aspect of whatever we are doing. Said the beya yenko boka engu ho in the course of fighting Galamsey. Mami wako to say obi Shamfan esi insuoso. It's Shamfan si insuoso and no dear. Shamfan is not something that we will take to any place. The government will not have any use for Shamfan. So what you say? And to ushi Shamfan or what? So be it. By the excavators now.
Like that Shamfan need ye shenu anka.
No sister, I know abanji on the other. You confiscate on the other day. Ebe buo man no kwan be so. So what you say? But the excavators and the generators, at least they will be used for the benefit of this country. And you know, that aspect of the law. Mitie Honorable Nitiwood. But the reality on the ground is that enyamani bi wa yen insonchirofo mu di nsam no. Omo kwa, omo ni mu nko na mu hu vividly what is happening. Because oka say ya mami Kate Jemfu a ni site ho no. Wo more divert issue. One say ye can issue the tributaries are part of the water. Ebia issue there was say alajo na efa. Na ni kwabata bia paya befa yi Peace FM ha. Enu just say obehia na oye nsofin e wo say no. So these are the realities on the ground. And me believe strongly. Say until say yɛbɛyɛ involved with the activities of the small scale miners as people, no, we will not have solution to the problem.
Okay.
How are we going to be involved? The government has a role to play. Mineral Commission has a role to play. These people must be set up and to be seen to be working. But the issue is also about some personal banter between government functionaries. National security for involved, neck deep in this exercise. Who take the COP Opariado Ekaye? Say, yeah, tata nina because MPP boys person mu ye galamsey no si ompeni. So what you say? And I'm telling you on authority, there is a gentleman called George Asante. George Asante, the general Amanfo, general, what is the name? Nidinu Krad is a general now, yeah, now in charge of national security. Francis Amanfo. Ni retire, ni personal aid, any personal assistant. Your friend George Asante. And go for got you one more forest, you know. Or can watch BNI sales is here.
Wow.
Or share BNI sales is here. So how it means the national security coordinator himself, you know, people around him are doing the galamsey.
That's all my dance, woman, a guabonting.
And you know that Canada, Japan, Ekayan. Canada, Japan, Asam Okaye. At the Opefe, Ubeko, John Buedu, Ubeko, your national organizer.
Now, only woman in Asa.
Oh, ye, my minchro. 19 sister, your near friends went to Yasweti. Professor Frimpong Boati office, and he 70. Or see, Central Region guy no secretary no me finidi nye Charles Bisu back no wusi say na prof say wa wanim no mo see ye party boys enye na party yezika me ka joto Samuel Wuku is deep involved here who say callers in fra callers no fra omubo a young guy be a friend Abanga or ye direct to
Abang obi abedi di peche
Abanga no utini din no oni womu general secretary John Buedu say galam say that young guy me no make a chiro
no for come national security
and president in him say womu ye president in himself because the party need money. And you can see a society way so war because Usha Obiaba also callers in the Bikraka says ya who say a buy mumpin for na Obi Frey want is okay because the evidence is abound brutal it is a buy no Shamramayeno or fetch the boom ranuswa Ghana ni bedding. Eti OBC Yan Fisi Ghana. The president, we should fix ourselves. They should tell the president and his functionaries to fix themselves first because they are condoning this illegality around our water bodies, which is unfair to us.
But as a chairman,
Etino mami, midimanusi, nukro we bakope. Say yebe fighting galamsey we are manako sosefwa. Nana doni na ban. Wamumpa omuhuechi. So what you say? No mu who say or mine ye dia she wo monsa. Yamfa wo mu personal not wo mu ye yo enti ne frɛ wo mu say wo mu be lead your mind. O man ni ye yo. Ye hu say wo mu ye nyama 8 ayen. Ye security wo mu say no. Can you imagine say national security na wakochi immigration officer na waburu pansam asankegwa. Asem we si anida. Where are we going? My dear sister, where are we going? The leadership must sit up. Omu transe no omu ye de sefata mi me support. But ubuga na mraso. Now we are buying. E wo say ye ka kire say mra na wa o share say odi be di ye so no. Ubuso.
Me da se chairman.
Utie oha extra punk no.
Needs FM.